In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Comet or Perplexity browser app and use it for faster, smarter web searches. If you want a more direct way to find information online, this setup can really help. Instead of typing a few keywords into a traditional search engine and then sorting through a long list of links, you can ask full questions in plain English and get a summarized answer right away, often with citations that show where the information came from. That makes browsing feel much more efficient, especially when you're researching, comparing options, or trying to understand something quickly. To get started, download the official Perplexity desktop app, or if you're on mobile, install the supported browser integration for your device. Make sure you're using the official version so everything works properly and you're getting the intended experience. Once the app or browser integration is installed, open it and confirm that it launches normally. If your device asks for any standard setup permissions, just review them carefully and continue. After that, the next step is to set it as your default browser or assign it as your default browser extension depending on the version you installed. This matters because it makes the tool part of your normal browsing routine instead of something you have to remember to open separately every time. On most devices, you can do this during the initial setup or later through your browser or system settings. If you're not ready to make it your full default browser, setting the extension as the default search experience can still give you many of the same benefits. Once that's done, you can start using the address bar in a much more natural way. Instead of entering short search phrases, type complete questions directly into the browser address bar. For example, you might ask for a comparison, a quick explanation, or help understanding a topic. The browser will return an instant summarized answer rather than the usual page of search links, and those answers typically include citations, so you can verify the sources or read more if you want additional detail. A helpful tip here is to be specific with your questions. The clearer your wording, the better the response is likely to be. You can also refine the question and try again if you want a more focused answer. And that's it. Once installed, set as default, and used through the address bar, this tool can make everyday searching feel much faster, cleaner, and more useful.